Hi, I'm Sarah from Stampin' Up, and today we'll be making the Hooray for Honeycomb kit. This kit includes fun pop-up honeycomb shapes to add dimension to your creations. With the cute berries, balloons, and rainbow scenes, you can send bright greetings in English, French, German, and Dutch. This kit comes with everything you need to create 9 cards. As we walk you through the steps to complete this kit, feel free to pause or rewind the video. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Let's get started. How cool are these projects? If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. Until next time, enjoy!